Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Arif. Welcome back again to my natural studio. So in this video I'm gonna share with you most important question. I get this question from the people every time. Brother, how much time do I need for learning English? Can I learn English with 30 days, with 3 months, with 6 months? How is it possible for me within 6 months to learn English easily? Can I do it? I will say you, if I give you the exactly the number of months, if I tell you 6 months, within 6 months you can speak English fluently. Within 30 days you can learn English easily. There are so many titles of this kind of videos available online. Within 30 days you can learn English easily if you watch the video, right? And if you watch the video within 10 minutes you can learn English easily. This is funny things, and it's a language. How you have learned your own language? Think about that. You have learned your own language from your mother, from your father, from your grandfather. You have listened all the time. At least you have listened 1 year or so. At least 1 year you have listened, and then you have told some basic words. For example, mama, mommy, baba, baba, papa, papa, right? After listening 1 year, you have told like that. You have just told some basic sentence in Bengali, the same, and then you have learned, you have told your own language. Right now, if I talk in Bengali language without thinking, I'll be able to explain in Bengali, because I have learned so many times with the listening. You are studying in your classroom right now. You are reading your classroom right now, but you are not listening. Only listening is the key for learning a language. Think about that. How you have learned your own language. The same way, if you follow, you can learn English. But how? Some people are saying that, brother, I'm very bored. If I listen just 1 minute, I fall asleep. I feel bored. So how can I do that? I will tell you, if you feel bored, go outside and listen English. Put the headphone, your ear, and listen English. 20 minutes, right now 20 minutes. And after 30 minutes, then 5 minutes. And after waking up from the bed, 50 minutes. And after the evening, 30 minutes. Like that, you can listen so many times in your house. It will be better for you if you listen in the outside. When you will go to outside for the natural beauty, your mind will be fresh and you can listen easily. And look like that. Look at the people, look at the picture, look at the tree, look at the sky, and listen. You never feel bored. I think, I request you, if you want to learn English, you have to follow that kind of process. But it's impossible to learn within 1 month. You will be able to speak English fluently. It's impossible. You have to follow some rule. You have to follow some daily routine. Every day you have to wake up in the morning, and then you have to listen 50 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. And then you have to practice front of the camera. You have camera, but you are not using the camera. Why are you not using? I will say that you are thinking that I don't have partner, I can't speak English. That's wrong thinking. I will say to you, so you have your mobile phone, you have your camera, so open the camera. On the camera and talk front of the camera. At the first time you can't say single word just at the first time. So try to say, my name is Arif, this is Arif, my father name is Rakib, my mother name is Ritu. Try to say that. When you'll be confident, then you can speak English fluently. Actually, speaking comes from your power, your heart. You know enough English because you are learning from the childhood to college. So you know enough English, but it's not coming out from your mouth because you don't exercise for coming out word easily. So you have to come out this word easily. That's why you have to exercise, you have to work. Try to say in front of the camera. Today you can say 1 minute, tomorrow you can say 130 minute, and the next day you can say 150 minute. Right now you are the basic level, you are the zero level, so you have to go long way, right? So you have to select your mind, you have to set up your mind for 1 year, for 1 year or so. Think about that. Within 1 year I will learn English, within 2 years I will learn English. It's not easy for just 2 days or 3 days or 4 days or 15 days. It's not easy. It will be deep learning if you set up your mind like that. Within 1 year, 2 years I will learn English. And learning never finish, right? So right now I'm trying to learning at this time, and every day I try to learn. When I started, from that time I'm learning, I'm speaking, I'm trying to talk in front of the camera. Today I'm talking in front of the camera right now. I didn't talk before, and I tried a lot that time for talking in front of the camera, but I didn't do that. When I will finish learning? So if you think that you can't speak English, you can't learn English, so you have to think that I will learn English, and besides I will practice English, I will speak English, because learning never finish, right? Every time try to learn. Inshallah, within 1 year, set up your memory for 1 year, set up your mind for 1 year. Exactly, listen 6 months continuously. Every day listen 6 months or 12 months. Keep patience for 6 months, 12 months. If you do that, definitely I promise you, believe me, I promise you, within 1 year you can speak English fluently. But you have to keep patience. Patience is very important. Most of the people doesn't have patience. For that they drop thinking, they drop speaking, they drop learning. So at the first time you need patience. So my dear viewers, if you find this video was little bit helpful for you, and if you think it will be helpful for your other friends, so never forget to share with your other friends, and hit the like button, and to subscribe this YouTube channel. I will see you very soon with another video. Allah Hafiz.